Welcome everyone to another episode of Things Around Us, the show where I take a random object around my house and try to take a cool photo of it. For today, I decided to go with a Bluetooth speaker. But first, I will tell you a bit about the lesson I learned while filming all of this. Less is more. When I started to make this intricate background using other household objects, that's when everything started going badly. Because of my lack of experience, I spent like 2 hours trying to get the right photo, or at least a decent one, from all sorts of angles, but it never happened. So I decided to just take a break. I was watching YouTube videos and still playing around with the speaker and a flashlight, and I came up with this picture, just in like 5 minutes of messing around with it, and it's done with my phone even. And that's why on my second official try I decided to go as simple as possible. So I used only a flashlight, my phone, a blue background, and the speaker. And this is how it happened.